And one afternoon where she was really feeling burdened by her situation, she went up on a little hill overlooking one of the pastures with the cows walking around and whatever cows do in pastures. And she thought, oh, this is so peaceful and beautiful. She started to pray and meditate, and suddenly she became aware of some of these attitudes that she's been carrying. She became aware of her bitterness or resentment. You know, my husband's out there. I know he's trying to do good for the family through his selling, but this is a lot to manage, the workers on the farm and my children and all that. She started to be aware of that. And in that uplifted state of mind, she felt some healing come from just that awareness. How many times have you become aware of a negative emotion, and just by being aware of it, you felt some of it dissipate? Has any of you all experienced that before, where just by a simple awareness, you were carrying it around unconsciously. You weren't even aware you felt those feelings. And she had this uplifting moment of being aware of it. And then she felt a sense of peace.